Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. So in this video, we will talk about the basic cutting and trimming of the clips. For example, if we don't want to use that specific part of the video, then how to trim, cut, or delete that part of the video. So first of all, we imported all our media files, and now we have to drag that in our timeline, which we talked about in the recent videos. And now, for example, I don't need the first 2 seconds of the video. Now, what I have to do, there are multiple ways of cutting that clip. First of all, I have to move my cursor till that point and see you can get a change cursor change. So now you have to click the left mouse button and drag it to the right up to that point where you don't want that video. So this will delete your video. So this is the first point, like how you can edit your video or how to trim your video. In the same scenario, for example, you need that video up to 10 seconds. So you have to place your cursor at the 10 seconds. Here you can see like your video is at 10 seconds. Now you have to left click at the end of the video and now drag it to the left. See, your video is up to 10 seconds. So you deleted the before and after. The other method you can use to cut the video is you have to click on your video and now you have to click on that split button. The shortcut of this is Control B. For example, see, I want to click that video from, I just have to click Control B and see your clip is edited. So I mainly use this. I'm not using shortcut because this is really closer to me, and I just click on that. I don't want to move my eyes from my screen to the keyboard, so I just click over there, and here you can see that the clip is edited. And after that, you can delete, you can right click on that clip and click over there, or you can also see that there's a shortcut key which is the backspace. You just have to enter backspace and see peekaboo. The other thing, for example, again, there is another option to edit the video. For example, I don't video from that point to that point, then what I have to do, because this method will not work over there, because I need this part, I need this part, but I don't need this center part. So what I have to do, I have to click that split part. See, the video split it into two parts. Now I don't video up to that point. So what I have to do, either I have to drag that video up to that point, or I have to again click the split. Here you can see that this is a separate, we got a clip we can use later on, or we can even delete it. This is totally depends on what are your requirements and why you are deleting this clip, but I am telling you like how you can delete your clip. Now there is another option of click. For example, if I don't need this first part, which I already told you, like you can just drag it to the right, so you can get the deleted part. You can automatically delete the beginning part. The other thing is you can also click on that. It's delete left. So the part which is on the left will be automatically deleted. See, if I click on delete left, see, the left part is deleted. Now, if, for example, if I don't need that right part, what I have to do, I have to click on that button, on that option. It's delete right. See, the right part of the clip is deleted. So this is how you can delete, cut, and trim all your parts of the videos which you don't want to use. Either it's at the beginning, at the ending, or in between the clip. You can just trim your part as per your requirements.